Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'll be showing you how to draw this natural looking brows. So these are the things I'll be using. I'll be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in FAWN, her shade of foundation. I'm using Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, a flat angled brush, a spoolie to comb the eyebrows, and a flat shader brush, and also the Davies pencil. I'll be using Davies pencil in number 3, and a brow fix from OYINX Beauty. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now I'm just combing the eyebrow. Make sure everything is in place. Make sure you comb upward. Now I'm combing using the brow fix from OYINX Beauty, just to tame the brows and make sure everything is looking good. So I'm just going to comb the second one too. Okay, now I'm using the Davies pencil to line the bottom of the brows. Light strokes. I'm not pressing the pencil hard, so it looks as natural as possible. Now I'm doing the same for the top of the brows. Remember, light strokes. Now I'm filling the tail, drawing it down to the tail, sorry. I'm gradually filling the tail, lightly too, so everything looks nice. Now I'm just filling the spaces to connect the pencil to the eyebrow, so it looks like she has hair there. Now I'm just combing everything together so the eyebrow and the pencil would mix.
We met around your father's floor. My eyes in your and I'm in awe.
So I did the other side of the brow off camera, but the same process, and now I'm just combing to make sure everything looks good.
This is how you make me feel.
Then I'm combing it again with the brow fix from OYINX Beauty, combing both sides.
Oh shit, I'm a grown man with a tight lip. Oh, and this is how you make me feel. Ooh, chilling with the guys at the bar.
So I'm about to start concealing the eyebrows. I'm using the concealer from LA Girl in shade FAWN to conceal the brow bone.
I'm trying to make this move, but I'm cheering. This is how you make me feel. Like a little kid without a wheel. Oh shit, I'm a grown man with a tight lip. Oh, and this is how you make me feel. And this is how you make me feel. like I'm losing you as the days go by. Just gotta tell you now just how I feel.
Now I'm concealing the front using her shade of foundation. I'm using Maybelline foundation to conceal the front. It's a shade of foundation.
This is how you make me feel. Hey, this is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. This is how you make me feel. Oh, this is how you make me.
Now you just blend, remove the harsh lines. So I'm just tapping to fade out the lines. Tap, tap, tap.
This is how you make me feel. Oh.
So that's all for the eyebrows. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.